Hi, good morning, YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. I'm Alexandra, the brand educator with MDPen, and today I wanted to talk about some of the top anti-aging concerns for men. They do tend to have a little bit of different concerns than when it comes to women. However, in general, everyone, dislikes the process of, possibly not looking like their best selves or looking as good as they feel. So that's a complaint you'll commonly hear with the aging process. Now, with men, typically one of the first things they will notice or complain about, of course, with the aging process, huge one is hair. So, hair loss. Men can start to lose hair extremely early, sometimes as soon as, the mid to late 20s, definitely seeing it happen in the 30s, progressing. So, it's a statistic, as high as like 35% as young as 30 years old. So with MDPen, of course, we recommend hair restoration treatments for these men, and they've got to be using our hair trio. It's amazing the results you can have just with starting our hair system by itself. It's a healthy hair trio. So again, you have a growth factor shampoo, conditioner with growth factors. The shampoo also has a bit of ingredients that will help purify the scalp, get some of that sebum off. I've seen the before and after photos of our offices that have scoping pictures, and it's amazing the difference with the hair follicle just from using the shampoo. The third step of the system is a hair protecting and fortifying mist. So these three products are a must have, especially when it comes to men. Hair restoration. This is preventative too. You don't have to have hair loss to use these products, but if you do, they're going to make you very happy. And these are a very nice, very affordable gift if anyone, is looking ahead for Christmas gifts for a male relative or spouse. I do definitely recommend our healthy hair trio, our hair system. I did put a shopping code on the screen, guys. It's MEN22. This is going to be good for the next 48 hours if you do want to go on our website and perhaps buy the hair products. Please use the comments if you are currently watching. I'll be happy to answer questions. Here's that link, guys. Now, another big concern with men that can happen early on when it comes to anti-aging can be the eyes. And sometimes this can be genetic. Sometimes this can be from dehydration, not getting enough sleep, working really hard. So a lot of times it's eyes, and people in general just don't like to look tired. They don't like to be asked, are you tired? Or you look different. Did you get enough sleep? Things like so eyes are a big concern. Concerns like wrinkles around the eyes, bags around the eyes, puffiness, dark circles, the list goes on. With MDPen, of course, we have various products that can be used near the eyes. I will quickly review those. I also have a men's kit I definitely want to go over with you guys. Now, for the eyes, we have our Tighten and Lift Serum. And this can be used morning and night. You don't want to use it on the upper lids, but you can definitely use it all around the infraorbital, around the crow's feet area. Now, while I'm still talking about this Tighten and Lift product, this would ideally be used on a man's entire face, because along with the eyes, men do start to care about fine lines and wrinkles to an extent. And oftentimes men, as we know, can have a more predominant brow. Often they can be major forehead wrinklers or frowners. People are typically, one or the other, and this does include women. So with men, you can see really prominent lines at the glabella, and you want to be able to treat those. So if you don't treat them soon enough, what you can have is resting lines. And these can turn into deep creases. So this is where things like preventative neuromodulators come into place. But not everyone wants to do injectables. So in this situation, I would definitely recommend looking into radio frequency microneedling if you are a man who is noticing lines at the glabella or forehead that are bothering you, as well as the under eyes. Look into radio frequency microneedling. but definitely be using the Tighten and Lift Serum as your moisturizer, and it will help tighten some of those stagnant lines on the glabella or forehead. Typically, when men do go to get neuromodulators for the first time, their number of units is quite higher than women because, again, they have that really prominent, strong muscle at the forehead and glabella. But, you know, just like women, they can do combination therapy. Now, I want to go over this kit with you guys. This is our men's aftershave kit on our website. And this is going to have a lot of the things in it that I'm going to be recommending for men. First of all, this bag is amazing for a man or a woman. And it has the zipper in the front and obviously a lot of room inside. And this one is going to have our Copper HA Mist, our Tighten and Lift Serum, and our SPF 30 moisturizer. And these can be used in order of mist, serum, moisturizer. So lightest to heaviest, pretty easy to use. Men will understand it. Mist, serum, cream, and this is like your morning routine right here. Of course, the mist and the Tighten and Lift can be used twice a day. Again, this kit is on our website. It's very affordable. Make sure you're using the code MEN22 if you are going to go shopping for individual products. I'm going to go ahead and start to get through some of your questions, guys. When should men start to use anti-aging skincare products? So basically, as soon as it bothers them, men do start losing collagen at the same age as women. It's around 25 years old. However, men do tend to have thicker, more sebaceous skin, so it can take a little bit longer for this process to kind of happen or to concern them or bother them. But they can definitely start in their mid or late 20s with anti-aging. Men who had acne as teenagers may end up being more compliant with using a system of products because they had to treat the acne from an early age. And, you know, they know that it pays off to take good care of your skin. So you have that factor playing a role. So I see a question, should men use under eye cream daily? What ingredients should be looked into? So it doesn't have to necessarily be a cream. Like I said, the Tighten and Lift product can be used around the eyes. And with this product, you have the green tea in there, you have sweet almond, you have oat kernel for inflammation. And then I'm going to recommend using our human-derived growth factor gel on the eyes. This one can be used on the lower upper lids and crow's feet. So basically all over the eyelids, eye area, all the way up to the brow bone. With eyes and growth factors in general, this is a product you can definitely use. If it's someone with heavy darkening, dark circles, try this first. If it's not working, you may need to add something with more caffeine. If you are a man using our CE brightening serum, don't forget this has the green tea and licorice in it. So when you're applying this to your full face in the morning, you can definitely use this under your eyes as well. Here's that link again, guys, for the full aftershave kit. Again, it's going to have the mist, the serum, and the SPF 30 moisturizer in this awesome bag. So don't steal it from him if you buy it. It's an awesome bag, though. Thank you, guys. What's the best ingredient men should be looking for with anti-aging products in general? So it's the same as women, and this is a long, tedious answer. But ideally, they should be on the same type of system, same rules should apply. If they have a lot of acne or still struggle with acne, they definitely need to get in with a dermatologist and be prescribed a prescription strength Retin-A or tretinoin. If they simply have oily skin, large pores that they want to keep at bay, I would definitely check out our Radiant Retinol Balancing Complex. If they're pretty oily with thick skin, they can go ahead and start the 1%. If they're not on the oilier side or have thinner, more mature skin, can definitely start with the 0.5 retinol from MDPen. But all the steps are going to be the same and, going to apply to men. If you want to add the retinol and the cleanser to your purchase of the aftershave kit. This will give you more of like a complete regimen, whereas the aftershave kit are more like, you know, morning application products, as well as products you can use twice a day. So that would kind of complete the kit if you do want to add the retinol and the cleanser to it and go from there. The trick is always to just be compliant. Don't just be throwing money. Make sure that you're going to use the products and reap the benefits of them. So again, guys, check out the aftershave kit for men, and definitely check out our healthy hair trio system. You will need to buy the shampoo, the fortifying mist, and the conditioner on the website to be able to get all three. And again, this promo code in the video is good for the next 48 hours. Happy early Thanksgiving, guys. I hope everyone has a great week and very safe travels to anyone who is on the road or flying this year. I look forward to seeing you guys next week so we can wrap up the month of November. Bye.